Okay, we're recording the sewer line here at 4121 15th Ave South. There's 15th Ave South in the distance. Here is your brick house. Here is your clean out I was accessing the sewer from. Drop down into the sewer. This is after cabling. After cabling video. See if I can clear the screen off. There we go, screen's clear. So this first run of pipe is all plastic. At some point it was dug up and redone. So you get into this section. The reason we're underwater is this pipe is flat through here. Over time, either the pipe settled or maybe an earthquake or something shifted the pipe a little bit, but it's all flat. So the wastewater is moving very slowly through there. So you can see it just kind of sits there. So I like to imagine kind of a river running into a lake. So you flush the toilet paper is cruising along down the pipe, and then it smacks into this big body of water that's not moving. So it basically slows the toilet paper down tremendously. Comes out of that slow toilet paper spot, and look, it hits a big root ball right there at 43-ish feet. There's just a large root, and this is after sending the cable down and cutting out a good chunk of it. You see there's other big roots down here as we go. So there's a section of about 10 feet here with these large root masses. This was the one that was causing your backup into the house, but then there's a couple more right after it, basically just like it. And that's in concrete, old concrete pipe, that once we come out of that plastic, you're back in the old stuff, and that's where the roots are coming through. Then we come into another plastic section. Somebody's dug this up at some point and redid this as well. So there's like a 6-foot section of plastic again down there, and then you run into this major offset. See how the pipe is shifted and it's forming a little lake right there? That's me smacking into the concrete pipe. That's a concrete lip of the pipe you're looking at right there. So the toilet paper is cruising along, boom, hits this spot. Also a spot of concern causing backups. I can't get the camera past there, so I don't know what's beyond there. That's as far as we can get. The camera just keeps smacking into that lip. As far as we go, we're open now. I would highly recommend getting that section of the pipe jetted. High pressure water, cut out all those roots and restore it back to its original diameter, its original 4-inch diameter. Once you do that, you should buy yourself some time or look into other options for permanent fixing like lining and such. But that's it for the video today. Logging out.